Hey my beautiful people, welcome back. Welcome, it's your girl Anora. Guys, this makeup look, guys, you guys have seen right here my first ever cut crease. Like, I did this wonderful makeup, but unfortunately your girl realized I deleted part of the video, like the beginning of the video, the intro and all the rest. I deleted the video. I really don't know how I managed to delete this video, but guys, just bear with me. This is how the makeup look turned out. This is how everything went. It's just a normal cut crease, purple cut crease. So for all those who are interested in watching, in seeing how I achieved the look, please just keep watching, and please do not forget to share the video with your friends and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And thank you the old and new subscribers for all the love and support on my channel. I love you all so very much. I love you so very much. So without further ado, let's get into our video. So guys, going in with this look, I'll be using this Miss Rose palette in creating the half cut crease. To go in with this Ellie Girl concealer and put it on my eyelid. I will use this purple right here. So when I'm done with this, I will just go in now and use a concealer and do the half cut crease. I will just go in now with this.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains.
So when I'm done with that, I'll still go in with the same palette. So I'll just go in with the brown.
When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go.
So I'm just filling the brown into the half cut crease. So yeah guys, when I'm done with the cut crease, I'll just go in now with the same brush and just press it all over just to blend it up. So now I'll go in now with my eyeliner. So I'm using this Huda Beauty eyeliner. Sorry, the camera can focus. So when I'm done with that, I'll just go in with my Huda Beauty brush and blush up my normal eyeliner. So when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now with my eyelashes. Just go in now and applying the eyelash. So when I'm done with this side, I'll just move now to the next side. So when I'm done with my eyelashes, I'll just go in now with my mascara and just brush up. So when I'm done with all that, I'll just go in now with my foundation. The foundation I'm using is So when I'm done with this, I'll just go in now with my concealer. I need space, a small escape, a place to go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah. Go in now with this to set up the place I conceal. So I'll just go in now and contour my face. So when I'm done with my contour, I'll just go in now and set the whole of my face up. And I will be using my MAC Fix. These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. So when I'm done with this, I'll just go in and highlight my face. A liquid highlighter, so I'm gonna use my pen. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why I need to be where I yeah, so guys, when I'm done with my highlight, I will just go in now with my lip. And for my lip, what I'll be using is just use this normal lip gloss. Ups and downs, sometimes too slow. When I'm lining up my lip, I will go in with this Silverstone lip liner. Yeah, that's where I go. That's where I go. Yeah, that's where I go. Just go in now with the lip gloss. I so do love the scent of this lip gloss. It's so freaking nice. So guys, when I'm done with my lip, this is how it is right now. This is how everything it's looking like. So I'll just go in now and comb my hair. Go in now and brush my hair. And I think there's no need for me to use the flat iron on the hair because I think the hair is quite okay. It's really okay. As you guys can see, what you think, I think it's perfect. And this is how the look turns out. I hope you all love the makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and thank you so very much for watching right up to the end. I really do appreciate you for staying tuned to see what I achieve at the end of the video. Thank you guys so very much. So that's all about the makeup for today. So thank you so very much for watching. I definitely will see you in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much. Peace out.